hero has their own gear equipped for battle. Introducing the CMT520 Plus, your new gear to take on the gaming world. Motherboard support, ITX, Micro ATX, ATX and eATX. CPU cooler height, 163mm. VGA card length, 423mm. Supports up to 6 SSDs. Right in the middle, a magnetic halo cover is ready to shine. Pre-installed with 4 120mm addressable RGB fans. Supports 2 360mm radiators at the top and bottom. CMT520 Plus's RGB controller is ready to sync with your motherboard. FSP. Power never ends.